So here's the thing. Temu keeps running this free gift promo that nobody understands. And honestly, I didn't either. I kept seeing people showing off free stuff like they just won a giveaway until I actually tried it myself. And yes, it works in 2025, but only if you trigger it the right way. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate the free gift event and unlock real items without wasting time on the stuff that doesn't matter. Before we jump in, I've put the current working free gift code right here on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment. You'll also find some bonus codes down there. Temu rotates these constantly, so I keep them updated for you. All right, here's what most people get wrong. The free gift program isn't some random pop-up. It's actually tied to a special event inside the app. Open Temu, scroll down until you see free gift, and tap it. Once you're in, enter the code from the screen or from below. That unlocks the event on your account. Now you'll see a series of small actions Temu wants from you. Browsing categories, tapping into a new deal, things like that. These aren't complicated. They're just engagement triggers. Every action fills your progress bar, and when that hits 100%, Temu ships you the item you selected. No tricks, no referrals required, just the updated code and a few minutes of tapping. Give it a try while the code is still active. It's on screen again, and everything you need is in the description and pinned comment. If you grab something cool, tell me in the comments. I love seeing which items people manage to unlock.